Hey guys, how's it going? This is George from TechLunar.com, and iOS 15 beta is out for you to go ahead and test it out and experiment and either let Apple know if there are any potential issues or for yourself to see whether you should update to iOS 15. While watching the latest keynote, Apple didn't mention anything about battery life. And so I was wondering, how does iOS 15 beta battery life compares with iOS 14.6? So let's find out. Now, the way we're gonna answer this question is by playing a 10-hour animated video playback on iOS 14.6 and iOS 15 beta on the same device. So what I did is on the left side, we have my iPhone XR while it was on iOS 14.6, and then I straight updated to iOS 15 beta and did the exact same thing. And you can also see this by going to the general about. You will see iOS 14.6 on the left and iOS 15 on the right. And I tried to keep available space on both versions at the same level. Next up is showing you the battery health by going to battery, and we can see that it sits at 87%. And you're probably gonna guess that I am actually a heavy iPhone user because I use my iPhone for a lot of things. Two more things I would like to do before we get started is to disable auto brightness, because here I'm gonna have the sunset very soon and I don't want the change of lighting conditions to affect the battery life. Next up is ensuring that only Wi-Fi is turned on and nothing else, because we're gonna be playing the video playback from YouTube, and I thought a YouTube video would be a good idea because all of us are watching YouTube videos right now. First of all, ensuring that both of the devices are playing on 1080p, and then we need to ensure that the brightness is at the fullest level on both iPhones. And lastly, ensuring that both devices don't have any other apps running on the background. And on both sides, we're gonna be using an iPhone 6 as a stopwatch to count how many hours will take for both sides for the batteries to run out. And now we're gonna release the both cables at 3, 2, 1, go. And then begin the stopwatch and press the play button on the video at the same time on both sides. Placing the stopwatch on the left side to be easier to see everything. Now it's time to speed up the entire process because this is gonna be a while until both sides basically die out. And I'll be back as soon as one side goes blank. Alright, so we have a loser right now, and iOS 15 beta is on the blink of getting dark. So iOS 15 died on 4 hours, 11 minutes and 37 seconds. And shortly after iOS 14 is gonna die as well. So speeding up again, we're soon gonna see iOS 14.6 to die as well. As you can see, at 4 hours, 19 minutes and 36 seconds, iOS 15 is also down, and that was a difference of 8 minutes. And this is not a big difference, to be honest, because iOS 15 is still on beta and there are still some improvements that Apple is making. So this difference is likely to be changed on September once we do another comparison. So once the official iOS 15 is released, then I'll be making another comparison between iOS 14.7 this time, because that's going to be the last update by Apple for iOS 14, and the official iOS 15.0. So stay tuned for this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and the notification bell right next to it in order to receive notifications for that video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how I could further improve my videos, and if you have any suggestions on what I could do next. Don't forget to like, share, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.